Hi, I'm Devin with Artbeads.com, and I am here with Elvin, owner of Dakota Stones, and we are just chatting about some of the stone types that we've got here at Artbeads. And first thing I want to do is I want to test to see how
stone knowledge.
Your stone knowledge. So we've got what is this?
So these are star cut. That's rose cuts from Madagascar.
Okay, and that's a quartz, right?
That's a quartz. Yep, from
Okay.
the quartz family.
What is that?
Also from the quartz family. Aquamarine, kind of a different grade of aquamarine, which I like because it variegates so much from these colors, and you get a little bit of a kind of that lower grade, which I think is actually more attractive versus something that would just be a pure color.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's a very organic, organic mix. And this is all. Is that the same?
Black
stone?
gold Amazonite.
Okay.
So that's Amazonite mixed with a couple of other minerals that give you the black and the brown, and kind of gives a little bit more, once again, that variance of color.
And then this is
That would be your black onyx.
okay. And then
This is going to be peach moonstone in the matte finish, followed by peach moonstone in a polish.
Well, where does that come from?
That is mined out of South Africa.
Okay.
And you can see, if you get in close here, you can almost see like the little flecking when you get it. Again, nice banding mix of different colors on those.
Yeah,
that
it's
material.
beautiful. Is that a form of agate?
It is not.
It's not.
Moonstone is a feldspar.
Feldspar.
Because you can see, more that just gets the shimmer in it.
Okay.
Yep.
Very cool. And then is that
You found it.
That's
Look at that.
another rose
I can
quartz.
take the rest of the video off. You know where you're doing.
Okay. And this
Also another amethyst
Amethyst
quartz
quartz.
family again.
Yeah, it's a beautiful deep purple with a little bit of variety in it. Again, if you're making handmade jewelry, I think just having a little bit of variety in the color adds to that handmade organic feel.
And then the star cut adding to that versus just a plain round or even a plain faceted, which gives that geometric shape and once again the light, the way it hits it.
And then this, I cannot remember, what is that stone?
Bloodstone.
Bloodstone.
Yep.
Okay.
So you got the reds that are coming up in it out of the core of green.
Okay.
So
Can I ask, and I don't know if you know, why do they call it bloodstone?
Oh, I could tell you that, but
Okay.
we'd have to kill you.
Okay, so everybody knows how to look that up. You do know?
I'll give me a second.
Okay, we'll get back to it.
We'll get back to
Okay,
it.
that's what Google's for. And then this is,
Multi-tourmaline.
yeah, Tourmaline is one of my favorite stones.
Yep. So
Beautiful.
you can kind of see across there with the purples, the blacks, the greens.
Yeah, fantastic. All right, well, thank you. It was a good test of your knowledge, and as you can see, just amazing, the cut and the color, and I think that together makes a beautiful mix.
Did I pass?
You passed.
All
Thank
right.
you. All right, thanks, Jeff.
Thank you.